Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 21st, and this is your distance learning lesson for today. It also happens to be kindergarten day. So I don't know if you've ever read this little book, but it's called All I Really Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. It has a lot of good things to say. In reading today, again, I'd like you to read at least 30 minutes. You know where to go to get your minutes, Raz Kids, Epic, your choice. But I found this picture of some kindergartners listening to some reading, and I thought it was so great how they were so excited to hear a story. I hope you still have that excitement when you read stories or listen to them as well. In math, our lesson today is Redbird. Would you please do 20 minutes on the lessons and then take 10 minutes to play some of the math games? In your journal writing today, will you please label the top of your paper? Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and your topic is the greatest present I've ever received, or again, your choice. So I thought long and hard about that. What was the greatest present or gift I've ever received? So here is my example. The greatest gift I ever received did not come with wrapping and a bow. It was the day I became a grandmother. The first time I saw Grace, I knew she was the best gift that could ever arrive. So a gift doesn't always have to come with a bow, does it? You take the time and think about what is the greatest present or gift that you've ever received, and you write about it today. And if you want to share, go ahead and take a picture and share it to me on email or Seesaw. This is it. This is the last chapter of Framed. So if you've been following along, I would really like you to send me your opinion of this book. Remember how we would give a book 1, 2, 3, or 4 stars and then tell why you gave those stars? That's what I'd like you to do today if you are listening to the read aloud. In a note on Seesaw, will you tell me how many stars you want to give the book and tell me why? Would you recommend this book to somebody else? Would you like to continue if this was a series? Okay, and then I gave you a little hint of a sneak peek of the book that we're going to start tomorrow. Today's Social Studies Day. So we're starting to look at moving out west. We've been in the Northeast and the South and the Midwest, and now we're moving out west. And so the first video you're going to watch is called Westward Expansion, and it's in Brain Pop again. I will assign it to you on Seesaw. I want you to take the quiz and send me your score on a note. Also, there are other related readings that tell more about westward expansion, and they're found in this section right here. And there are some very interesting things if you'd like to go and take a look at some more information about how we moved out west. Mrs. Hotchkiss has included an idea today. Read a book. Well, you're already doing that for reading, so why don't you combine the two? And as you are reading, think about how the characters in the book are feeling. And then ask yourself, how are you feeling today? And how are others at your home feeling today? Mr. Bamrick has Fayed with you today because it is Tuesday, so you can continue your bingo challenge, or you can try the new challenge that he posted called Chance Fitness Coin Flip Activity. And finally, have a great Tuesday, everybody. I included another little cartoon. Be honest, how much longer will we have to help Betsy with her homework? I hope your homework's going well. Thank you.